guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Curology acne medication. If you guys have never heard of Curology, it's a customized acne medication for you. It has 3 ingredients in it, which are provided to you by your provider based on the photos that you upload and basically what you tell them that you want to target. And they send you out a bottle which is specifically made for you. Right now I have no makeup on because I wanted to give you guys the best possible view of what my skin actually looks like. I have a black backdrop today so we can see it as good as possible. I want to give you guys my 100% honest review. This video is not sponsored. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers. So this is completely my opinion. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday, so there's always something for you guys to see. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and it helps you out, and to follow all my social media. It will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. So we're gonna get started. So Curology, like I said before, is a customized acne medication. They give you 3 ingredients based off of what you want and what you like. So they do have a website where you go and you can upload photos and you get a specific provider, and their job basically is to tackle your skin problems and provide you with a medication that is going to help fight what you are trying to fight. When I first started out with this acne medication, my skin was horrible, you guys. It was back to how it was when I was like just hitting puberty, about 12, 13. I had really like, my face was just ridden with pimples. It was so bad to the point where my face was actually painful. Some of you may say like, oh, well, you probably could have helped that by not wearing makeup, by drinking more water, doing things along those lines, which I do hear often people saying to do those things. And what's funny is that I was drinking almost a gallon of water every day. I had cut out every single makeup product. I tried this for 3 weeks and my skin was just, it was the worst it had ever been. I didn't understand why, because I was doing everything that I was supposed to be doing. I was like, what is going on? And so I realized, I don't know, for some reason, I feel like my skin gets worse when I don't wear makeup. I know a lot of people are going to be like, what? But I think it's because of what your skin is climated to, and when you take that out, it's just in shock, because makeup really is in a way, it is a barrier from all of the outside pollutions and things. But as you guys can tell from the picture, my face was ridden with scars, ridden with pimples. It was the worst it had ever been. My skin was very texturized. Just overall, I bruise and I scar extremely well. To a foreign eye, it may seem like, oh, she has all these scars on her face because she picks at her acne. But the thing is, yeah, I do pick at it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I do sometimes. I can honestly, like, you can look at me and I can bruise and I can scar. It is that simple. I had a really bad back acne. It has started to go away as I've gotten older, but it's in spots where, like, obviously I can't even pick it. Like, I can't pop it or anything, and it was just dark scars everywhere. I have a scar on my leg from when I got a box paper cut about 6-7 years ago, and it has not gone away. She's picky. My skin is picky. When I started this was my last resort. I had used Proactive. Proactive was just, oh my god, that was a mess. I also tried acne.org, which I would say it did help a little bit, but the problem was that it bleached my skin, my face so much. I felt like it was just very harsh on my skin, and it wasn't doing enough for me. All the mainstream acne products, I have tried it and it did not work for me. And this, honestly, I will have to say, Curology is the only product, in my opinion, that has worked for my skin. This is honestly the best my skin has ever looked. Right now, I'm really only dealing with residual scarring. As you guys can see, like, my skin looks healthy. Right now, I'm just dealing with hyperpigmentation along my cheeks. This is where most of my acne was. But in all honesty, my skin is smooth. There is no texture to the skin. It's just a whole lot of scars. So throughout this whole period, I have been using it for a little bit over 3 months. I did take a lot of pictures and I did keep basically a log on what was going on with my skin. When my first bottle came out, my products were zinc pyrothine, clindamycin, and niacinamide. This little concoction has been the best concoction for my skin. At one point, I started to get a lot of little bumps. I messaged my provider and I was like, listen, I have all these bumps. I don't know what's going on because my skin was doing so well. Maybe it's getting, you know, acclimated to what you guys have sent me. Maybe I need to try something new. They sent me out another bottle. They just replaced the zinc pyrothine with Xillia Acid. My skin hates this one. It was not helping the bumps that I was getting on my face. In fact, it was making it worse. I told my provider and she was like, oh, well, your skin has to get worse to get better. I am not a believer of that. I have always seen with any product that I use, it better work right away because that shows that your skin likes it. If it's not working right away, it's not going to work for you. So I stopped with this one and I was like, listen, send me my other medication trio back. I don't want to use this one anymore. And for the past couple months, I have just been using this. The bumps went away, everything calmed back down. I feel like this product was amazing. It is, I think, about $20 per month. I am very limited on what I use on my skin now. As of right now, I use the Biore Charcoal Face Wash. And that's the only thing I use to wash my face. I don't wash my face in the morning. I do rinse it off with water, but I don't use soap to wash it off because I just washed it the night before. I'm going to sleep and I'm waking back up. Hopefully, y'all clean your sheets so your pillows should not be that dirty. The water will rinse off any dirt that's on there. I don't use a lot of products. I only use the Biore and I use this at night. They tell you to use a dime size. Another thing that I will have to say that contributed to improving my skin is that you have to be careful on what kind of makeup you're using on your face. I came to learn that I cannot use, oh my god, it's my boyfriend texting me, Jesus Christ. I came to learn that I actually couldn't use MAC foundation. All of their products, for some reason, my skin hates. I did use the Fenty foundation. I had no issues with that. As of right now, the current foundation that I'm using is the Cover FX Power Play foundation, I think. My skin absolutely loves that. I use their acne fighting primer, and it has been great for my skin. I do suggest if you want to actually improve your skin, less is honestly more. I do highly suggest giving Curology a try. They do have a free trial. It has helped me so much. The only thing I'm really trying to work on now is just reducing the hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. But besides that, what I'm telling you guys, my skin is so baby smooth. It does so good for your skin. So I highly suggest you guys check it out. I will leave the link down in the bio below. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday, so there's always something here. And follow all my social media. It will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. And the direct link for this is going to be in the description box as well. I should honestly be their spokesperson because I tell everyone about Curology. I think it's so great. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye! I actually am going darker soon though, you guys. Like, my appointment is on the 27th and I'm going to be doing something new with it. So, make sure to subscribe so that you can see that because I am going to be taking you guys along to the salon. Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.